In this video, I'm going to show you guys specifically how you can get noticed in the esports Fortnite community, and basically how you can get on a esports pro team if you really want to. If you're trying to get noticed by the Fortnite community, in particular the good players of Fortnite, which we all know, you're gonna have to do something out of the box. So basically, the number one recommendation I have for you guys is to play the tournaments on Fortnite esports on Twitter. Just go to @Fortnite League and you'll be able to find all their tournaments, all the pro tournaments, all the amateur tournaments, and you'll be able to build up a relationship with people on here, win money, as well as get more people to notice you and know who you are. This isn't the only tournament website there is. There's also Game Battles. You can also go to gamebattles.com or gamebattles.majorleaguegaming.com and play the tournaments on this website as well. And you can also make money on here pretty easily if you're winning the tournaments. So as you guys can see, this is a 1v1 battle royal. So as you guys can see, this is a Fortnite 1v1 tournament. It is 5 MLG credits, which comes out to be $3.75 if you want to enter this tournament, and you have the possibility of winning $150. It is probably a 20-minute game that you could win this money, and then you could enter another tournament, and that is another way to build your status, show people that you are good at the game, and get your name out there even more. So you can go to Major League Gaming or gamebattles.majorleaguegaming.com/tournaments, create a Major League Gaming account if you don't have one, go to the tournaments, sign up, and you can go ahead. If you're winning the tournaments, again, you will be noticed by tons of people. Trust me, all of the pros know this website, and you go to this website and play the tournaments as well. And that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, let me know. There is one last thing. Basically, you're going to want to be spreading all of this information, whether you're signing up, whether you're winning or losing your tournaments, letting everybody know that you're joining the tournaments, letting everybody know that you're in the tournament, giving them videos, highlights, and stuff like that on YouTube, and getting your name out there even more. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.